In this video, we show you how to fit a hinged bath screen. And if you aren't comfortable with more complicated DIY tasks, consult a professional. Once you have removed all of the packaging, check that you have all of the required parts using the instructions provided. Your wall channel should have pre-drilled screw holes. If not, you may need to add these yourself. Offer the channel up to the wall and mark the screw holes using a spirit level to make sure everything is straight. Before drilling, make sure you check for wires and pipes. Then drill the holes into the wall and add the wall plugs, tapping in with a hammer if necessary. Screw the wall channel to the wall and insert the bath screen into the wall channel. Drill 3 evenly spaced holes through both the wall channel and bath screen using the recommended drill bit size. Then screw the bath screen into the wall channel, capping the screws when done. Fit the seal to the bottom of your bath screen. If your screen comes with a handle or towel rail, fit this now. Finish with a bead of silicone sealant down the outside edge of the wall channel. Add a stylish finishing touch to your bathroom with our huge range of shower bath screens.